Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unity Car. The 2025 BMW M is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, blending aggressive styling with aerodynamics that scream performance. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the car commands attention with its bold front fascia. At the heart of its design is the massive kidney grille, now more refined and seamlessly integrated into the front end. The sharp LED laser headlights give the car a futuristic yet menacing look, illuminating the road with precision and style. The sculpted hood features deep creases that channel airflow efficiently while adding a muscular presence to the M lineup. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the flared wheel arches, housing large forged alloy wheels that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. These wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, ensure maximum grip and stability even at high speeds. The side mirrors, crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, not only reduce weight but also enhance the sporty appeal. One of the most striking elements of the 2025 BMW M is its aerodynamic side skirts. Designed to optimize airflow and reduce drag, the sleek lines along the body create a sense of motion even when the car is at a standstill. The carbon fiber roof further lowers the center of gravity, contributing to enhanced performance and weight distribution. At the rear, BMW has taken design and functionality to the next level. The aggressive rear diffuser, finished in carbon fiber, works in harmony with the quad exhaust setup, delivering an unmistakable growl that signifies the power under the hood. The slim OLED taillights stretch across the rear, providing a modern and dynamic look. The active rear spoiler adjusts automatically based on speed, ensuring maximum downforce for stability during high-speed maneuvers. BMW's M division has a rich history of pushing boundaries in performance and design, and the 2025 M continues this legacy. It takes inspiration from legendary M models while embracing the future with cutting-edge aerodynamics and material innovation. The lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber construction help reduce unnecessary weight while maintaining rigidity and strength. The front bumper incorporates large air intakes that feed cool air to the brakes and engine, optimizing performance during intense driving. The entire exterior is shaped by extensive wind tunnel testing, ensuring that every element serves a purpose beyond just aesthetics. Even the door handles are flush with the body, reducing air resistance and enhancing the car's sleek profile. BMW offers a range of exclusive colors for the M series, including signature frozen and metallic shades that highlight the car's aggressive lines. The high-gloss black trim elements contrast perfectly against these vibrant colors, creating a bold and distinctive appearance. Another unique feature of the 2025 BMW M is the laser-etched M badge on the front fenders, subtly showcasing the performance heritage. The optional carbon fiber exterior package adds even more lightweight elements, from the rear wing to the front splitter, reinforcing the car's track-ready DNA. Every inch of the 2025 BMW M's exterior is a testament to precision engineering and performance-driven design. It's a car built not just to be admired but to dominate the road with its presence, whether on the track or the streets. Its sharp aesthetics and aerodynamic enhancements make it one of the most visually striking M models to date. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching Unity Car.